A point per place. Listen to me very carefully. A point per place. What do you understand by this? Please tell me. A point per place. One point at a place, right? So you speak upon one particular pointer at one place, and then you go to the other point, and then you go to the other point. You're standing in the middle, you speak upon one particular point. Then you go to the left, then you go to the right side, as per the pointers that you are sharing with people. And when you are able to do that, you would then realize that you are able to cover the entire area, and you are able to get more results and more opportunities for you. This is what is important, and that is how you would be able to get more chances for your own self. So you have completed a point, give yourself some time, and then go to the next place. That's very important. Got it? Very true. People, one more thing that I would like to share with you over here is, listen to this. Whenever you are talking, and when you want the audience to give you some applause, or you want the audience to give you a reply, something that's very important is that you need to give a pause. Neha, there is one more feedback from your talk only pertaining to this. When you asked people how many of us are good at giving excuses, right? You did not stop. You had to give a pause for 5 to 7 seconds, maybe at least 5 seconds, so that people would write I. So you need to give time for the audience to applause. You need to give the time for the audience to get those results, for them to react. That's very important. Is that clear? Good. Very good. Next, channelize your nervousness. What do you understand by this? This is very interesting, okay? I want you to tell this to me, all of you. Channelize your nervousness. What do you understand by this? Your nervousness. I'm sure all of us are nervous, right? Before we have to deliver a talk, before we have to deliver a session, it's quite obvious that we would feel nervous. We would feel like, yaar, kya main 100% de paunga? Will people like it or not? Will people benefit? Will I be able to get more results? Will I be able to create more chances? So of course, we will have that nervousness. Of course, I feel nervous. Maybe not now before I do the webinars, but again, when I will go onto the stage after a gap of maybe 1 year or more, I will have that nervousness. But what I will say to my mind, how I will train my mind is, Rahul, understand. When you feel nervous, what happens? Your heartbeat becomes faster. When you are energetic, what happens? Your heartbeat becomes faster. When you feel nervous, you feel like sweating. And the same thing happens when you are energetic at the same time. So what you got to do is, you got to channelize your nervousness and control it and utilize it for your own good. Understand that you are nervous, it will make you more aware that you got to deliver an amazing session, that you got to give your 100%, that you got to put in that effort for you. And once you are able to do it, you would then see that you are winning, you are getting ahead, and you got to get more results. Channelize का मतलब होता है जो भी आपके दिमाग में चीज है, आप उसको यहाँ पे वो यूज हो रहा है कि आप उसको पॉजिटिविटी के लिए यूज कर रहे हो. You're utilizing your nervousness in a positive manner for creating more chances and for creating more opportunities for you. Because आपने अपने nervousness को change कर दिया है positivity में and confidence में. Because you're saying to your mind, no, this is a sign of excitement and not a sign of being nervous. Is what you need to understand. Got it? Good. So this is when you realize, and this is when you need to get more results. Okay, 2 people have asked me this. A point per place. This means supposedly your talk has 5 prominent points that you're speaking about, 5 highlights of your talk. Then speak upon one highlight from one position, and then go to the second position, and then go to the third position, and then go to the fourth position. Got it? Good. And then channelize your nervousness so that you can give your 100% and you can get more opportunities done for you. Please understand, ladies and gentlemen, you are a performer. You are a performer, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what others think about it. I don't know what others say to you. Do you understand that? Some people would be saying, yeah, you are a speaker, you are there to deliver a talk, you are there as a coach. No, you are there as a performer. And when you are there as a performer, you got to perform every time, irrespective of whether you feel good, whether you feel that I will not be able to deliver, whether you feel that energy within you or not. No, you got to perform every time. I got to perform every time. Because when I perform is when we get opportunities and when we'll be able to get more chances for us. Can we keep a list of pointers in our hand? Maybe in the beginning, you can keep it in your hand, but then gradually let go of that paper. Okay? Remove that paper gradually. Got it? Good. Next, make a list, people, of all the negative self-talk that you give to your own self. No negative self-talk, please. No negative self-talk, please. Here you go. No negative self-talk, ladies and gentlemen. What is the negative self-talk that you say to yourself? Tell me. ऐसी कौन कौन सी नेगेटिव चीजें हैं जो कि आप अपने खुद को बोलते हो? Maybe because of our upbringing, maybe because of the things that have been told to us since our childhood, whatever. What is it? कल कर लेंगे, बाद में करेंगे, opportunities नहीं लेके आ पाएंगे, I am not good enough, my voice and clarity, I will not be able to do it, नहीं हो पाएगा, नहीं results लेकर आ पाएंगे यार, opportunities नहीं कर पाएंगे, करना तो चाहता हूँ मैं 100%, I'm not able to do it, I'm going to talk, I'm not good looking, I'm not capable, boss is not good. So these are the things that you say to yourself before every talk, before every session. Then how would you be able to give your 100%? You think about it, no? Profit nahi kar paunga, family problems, society does not support, people do not support, I'm not able to do it, I will do it tomorrow. Biggest excuses, I'm too busy to do this, not my cup of tea, pressure of earning. So you have all those things. Pressure of earning, I don't think is a negative self-talk. You have to do it. And gradually आप उस चीज को कर लोगे, right? वही चीज आपको figure out करनी है. And वही चीज पे आपको results लेकर आने हैं. I have tomorrow to do this, so I procrastinated, I unnecessarily delay it. Even though I know that I'm good at it, I still unnecessarily delay it. That is something that I need to change. I hope you are writing in your diary the negative self-talk that you give to yourself, and that you need to get rid of it gradually. I will बेइज्जती हो जाएगी, नहीं हो पाएगा, family डरेगी, लोग नहीं समझेंगे, बाद में करेंगे. When you change the place, not able to do the other thing, not having a good voice. So we have all these thoughts, we have all these issues. We have created all these issues on our mind. Many a times these issues actually do not even exist, but we have created them only because we are worried. And that's exactly what we need to change, right? So no negative self-talk is what is very important for all of us. The next thing is this. Wait for the applause, ladies and gentlemen. Have you noticed what I do? When I tell you to do something, I wait. I be quiet. I'm waiting for your applause. I'm waiting for your reactions. I'm waiting for you to do the task that is being provided to you. And that is what is important. Wait for the applause, ladies and gentlemen. Because when you would wait for the applause, you would then realize that this is so very important and this is so very essential because the audience is getting involved in that talk. If the audience is not getting involved in that talk, then it's going to be of no use, right? So that's very important. If they don't applaud, they will applaud 110%. I say it to you. And if they don't applaud, say it to people. Come on, man, I deserved a round of applause. Do it. हो गया ना काम. आपको अपने आप ही अपने लिए चीजें बनानी है. अगर नहीं बनाया, अगर लोगों ने ताली नहीं बजाई, applause means this. If people don't appreciate, tell them, come on, man, I deserve some appreciation. Give me some claps. Of course you can say. यार वहां पे खाली खड़े हो, कोई ताली भी नहीं बजा रहा, बेइज्जती हो रही है. इससे अच्छा सबको बोलो ना, अरे ताली बजाओ भाई साहब, इतना अच्छा सेशन बोला है मैंने. I do it so many times. स्टेज पे बोलता बस, that is all you have got. So when people are appreciating, when people are clapping, if I don't get enough applause, I'm like, is that what you have got? That is it? I think you deserve, I think I deserve more. Give me some more. So that is how you do it. Of course, people take it positively. People start smiling. People start laughing. Enjoy that process. You need to enjoy that process. Till the time you don't enjoy that process, you won't make it big. You will not be able to create that impact. और पता है आप क्यों नहीं कर पाते उसको enjoyable process की वजह से की तरीके से? Because आपके दिमाग में हमेशा ये रहता है यार, will I be able to do it? Will I be able to get those results? Will I be able to deliver a good talk? So you are always worried in the content delivery part. And because of that, you are not able to connect with the people because you are not able to get that energy from within you. वो चीज आपको समझनी पड़ेगी यार. And वही चीज है जो कि आपको change करना पड़ेगा. Of course, this is working. I mean, if I say to people, is that what you have got? That is it. I deserve some more applause. Come on. At least my mom said it. So everybody would then start clapping, right? And people would start laughing. What more do you want? But again, all those things come with practice. जब आप practice करोगे तभी तो होगा ना. And that is why I say to you, don't be worried. Don't be worried whether your talk would be good or not. You make your own talk good. That is what matters. मैंने तो पता है एक और चीज क्या करी थी. When we went to participate in a contest, so we had 7 or 8 of my own team members over there. I told them when I say this dialogue, आपको ताली बजानी है. मैंने कहा आप 4-5 लोग अलग अलग जगह से ताली बजाओगे तो बाकी सब भी ताली बजा ही देंगे. Even then we did not win the contest, man. So we tried our best, but we still did not win it. So that was a part of the Toastmaster speech. I never won that contest, but we are winning a lot of hearts. We are winning a lot of people. We are empowering a lot of people. So that is what matters. You get that? Maybe somewhere you would fail, somewhere you would not win. That place is where you win, you're going to win big. And that's what matters. Wait for the applause, man. Okay, you want me to write something over there? Okay. मैं यहाँ पे कुछ लिख लेता हूँ आप लोग के. If you can't wait for the applause, then create the applause for you. Create the applause for you. Simple. अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई ताली वाली नहीं बजा रहा है, you can also use it comically. You're like, अबे यार मैंने तो सोचा था ताली बजाओगे तुम लोग यार, ये तो बेइज्जती हो गई. Say that, no. Everybody will start laughing. Everybody will start appreciating. Everybody will start clapping for you. Simple. ये छोटी चीजें हैं जो कि आपको फिगर आउट करनी पड़ती हैं. एंड आप जब ऐसा बोल दोगे तब तो लोग ताली बजाएंगे ही बजाएंगे ना. अगर तभी भी नहीं बजाई किसी ने ताली तो लोगों को बोल दो यार तुम तो बहुत ही खत्म लोग हो यार. मतलब इतनी बेहतरीन टॉक के बाद ताली भी नहीं बज रही है, हद हो गई. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, say it for people. And then everybody would like, yeah, I need to clap. And then everybody would start clapping. So you create the applause, man. Simple, man. Simple. You got to do it. Got it? So you get results for you and you get more opportunities for you. But अगर आप इतना seriously बोलोगे, all right, I was waiting for your applause. Even then maybe some people would clap. बट ह्यूमर तो होना चाहिए यार. कंटेंट तो आपको में डालना चाहिए. अगर आप एक ही सीरियस टोन में सारा का सारा सेशन लेके जा रहे हो तो फिर क्या होगा यार, फिर कैसे रिजल्ट्स आएंगे यार. सो प्लीज इंश्योर दैट द ह्यूमर पार्ट इज देयर, द एनर्जी पार्ट इज देयर, द मोटिवेशन पार्ट इज देयर, द हसल पार्ट इज देयर. The energy that you are passing on to people should be passed upon to all of them because of the activities that they are doing. That's what matters. You get it? And when you do it, then you would realize that this is so very important. Right? That's the good thing. Somebody says, what if our session was pathetic? Can we still ask for applause? Yes. Tell them at least I gave my 100%. आज तो ताली बजा दो, कल अच्छा करके आऊंगा मेरे भाइयों. You got to be a shameless self-promoter. And when you're going to be a shameless self-promoter, you will get the results for you automatically. मैं तो अगर आज के बाद कोई ह्यूमरस स्पीच देने जाऊंगा ना, मैं तो स्टेज पे जाते साथ ही बोल दूंगा, I deserve a big round of applause. Because I turned up for the session. सोचा था कि हंसा पाऊंगा नहीं हंसा पाऊंगा, प्रयत्न तो करा है ना, ताली तो बजा दो एक बार इसके लिए. You get the attention, man. That's what matters. Got it? Good. The next thing is talk to the audience members. Talk to the audience members. That's very important. Whenever you are talking, whenever you are interacting with people, whenever you are delivering a session, please ensure that you are talking to the audience members, just like I talk to you, just like I interact with you. Because when you will talk with the audience members, you would then realize that more people would be involved in your session. अगर ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है तो results नहीं आएंगे, तो opportunities कभी भी नहीं होंगे. That is why it is very important that you talk to the people who are there. That's very important. You did in the Bangalore meetup, you interacted with us. I do it so many times. And the reason why I am actually ready to do it is because I know that otherwise it would become boring. Otherwise, I'll never be able to get the audience hooked. I will never be able to get the audience connected with me. So you got to talk to the audience. Ask them a question. Ask them about something. Go close to them. Compliment them for something. Compliment them. Oh man, your blazer is looking amazing. You look so good with this. I'm so happy you turned up. Ask people to appreciate and clap for their own self. And when you do it, then you would realize that this would work. Can we ask for an applause in some professional event? Even then you can do it. यार वो भी तो वो भी तो इंसान ही है ना. Even they are human beings at the end of the day. दक्षेश का schools and colleges में ये सिखाया जाता सर स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस वाले नहीं सिखा रहे थे, तभी हमने प्रयत्न करा कि अब हम करते हैं. Trying our best, giving our 100%, right? Thank you. So talk to the audience members, and then when you realize this is so very important, and then you get results, that is what gives you more chances. Got it? So audience वाले लोगों से बात करो, interact करो, आगे बढ़ो, results लेके आओ. बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. जब तक आप ऑडियंस से इंटरेक्शन नहीं कर रहे हो, रिजल्ट्स नहीं आएंगे. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव अटेंडेड आवर फिजिकल इवेंट्स और आवर मीटअप्स? प्लीज टाइप yes if you have. So many people, right? Some of you have not yet. Have you seen Siva? Good to have you here, brother. Have you seen the amount of interaction that we do with the people? कितना ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन होता है लोगों के संग, कितना ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व होते हैं लोगों के संग. इट्स लाइक माइंड ब्लोइंग. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू गॉट टू डू. एंड जब आप इस तरीके की चीजें करते हो, तब आप देखते हो कि ऑडियंस आपके संग डीपली इन्वॉल्व है. एंड जब आप वो चीज करोगे, डीपली इन्वॉल्व ऑडियंस रहती है, तब बहुत ज्यादा मजा आता है. Because that is when they would realize that this is so amazing and that this is working. Got it? So talk to the audience members all the time, and then you would be able to get so many results and get the audience involved with you. तो जब आप स्टेज पे भी बात कर रहे हो, go amongst the audience, interact with the audience, connect with the audience, get the audience to be with you on your side. And just like I told you in the beginning, I will talk about it even more right now, and that is the audience is by your side. आपको ये चीज हमेशा समझनी पड़ेगी that the audience is by your side. That is important. Shivendra, I'm so happy reading this. He says, sir, I'm not going to lie, but I've never seen such an interactive webinar. देख, अब ये तो मुझे पता है, तोड़ आदमी तो मैं हुई, है ना? पर आपकी इस बात को सुन के हमें बहुत ज्यादा हार्दिक आनंद की अनुभूति हुई है. I'm deeply happy hearing this. And I love that we do this. बहुत तोड़ सर, बहुत hard. So get the audience involved by your side and include humor. यार, क्या इतना seriously? Yes, public speaking is very important. Public speaking gets you the results. Public speaking makes you happy. And then you are like, man, क्या यार, क्या कर रहा है इंसान, 2 घंटे से पका रहा है हमें. तब आपके दिमाग में ये चीज आने लग जाती है. तो ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि आप ऑडियंस से भी इन्वॉल्व रहो, कंटेंट भी लेके जाओ, अपने आप ही आगे बढ़ोगे आप. गॉट इट? गुड. योर हिंदी इज बेटर देन योर इंग्लिश. यार, आप मेरे से किसी भी भाषा में वार्तालाप करने को बोल दीजिए, हम किसी भी भाषा में वार्तालाप कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि बचपन से ही हमने इस चीज के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा प्रयास करा है कि चाहे हम हिंदी में बात करें, चाहे हम अंग्रेजी में बात करें, दोनों भाषाओं में पकड़ समान रूप से होनी चाहिए. अत्यंत आवश्यक है वो. गॉट इट? थैंक यू. सीरियस बोलो, ऐसा लगता है कि कोरोना की गाइडलाइन दे रहे हो, ये भी हो सकता है. ऑलराइट, इम्प्रॉम्प्टू टास्क लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. अभी मैं आप लोगों को एक टॉपिक देने वाला हूं. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ टॉपिक राइट नाउ, वन ऑफ यू, and you're going to talk about that topic. Okay, impromptu task for you, and you people have to give the feedback to that individual. Okay, so who's going to speak? Tell me, who's going to speak? I can't read, thousands of people have raised their hands, and then I can see raised hands. I was not able to go through the names who all said. Okay, so we will give the chance to Shikhar Maurya, man. उसने इतनी बार लिख के बोला यहाँ पे मी. So let us have Shikhar. Shikhar, how are you?
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. It's very nice that you unmuted me. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot. Great fan of yours.
My pleasure, brother. So what do you do?
Sir, I'm a network marketer, and I have started my journey 2.5 months back, and I'm a 12th pass out. And that's all. That's all the thing.
Okay. So you will have to speak up on a particular topic for 1 to 1.5 minutes. And the topic is, listen to me very carefully, the subject that I hate the most. The subject that I hate the most. Go ahead, Shikhar. Talk about this.
So the subject means the subject about what?
College subject, school subject. पढ़ाई में जहाँ पे कि आपका वो तो अरे क्या हो रहा है?
Okay, sir, got it. Okay, got it, sir. Yes. The subject I hated the most is mathematics. It's a horrible subject. Seriously saying, calculations is okay and all, but when it comes to trigonometry and all those things, it's it's totally out of mind. And it make me feel like when we study in the school, like cos theta, sin theta, the value over there, and what's the use of it? Like in future, we are not going to use it in any way, and we are told that read this, read those, and we are used to say like learn tables, learn tables. Okay, that is somewhere okay, but that thing completely means it's horrible. Like that's also I'm not into that
No, no,
much
you're doing well. Go ahead, go ahead.
now. And mathematics, when we solve the problems and it happens because that
Mhm.
mathematical questions and means I'm not letting that much
No, no, but you did really, really well. Many, many congratulations. And
thank
the
you so
best
much.
part is that you spoke in front of so many people.
It's been a huge pleasure. So it was completely unexpected. I didn't even listen, and you said just those who want to speak just type their name, and I just without
So
thinking
this is
anything.
what matters. No, you say yes and everything else follows.
Yes, sir.
And a round of applause for you also, right?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. You really are great, sir. And I'm waiting to see you in the your next EWB. I will be surely there. I'm dying for it.
100%, brother. Where do you live? Where do you live? आपने ये नहीं बताया.
So I'm from Chhattisgarh.
Okay, okay. You're from Chhattisgarh. We will be
Yes.
having a lot more people from there also.
Yeah. Sure, sir.
So
Sure. I
will
will be
that be
there,
your
sir.
first time? अगर हम वो event गोवा में करते हैं, will that be your first time coming over here to Goa?
Yes, sir, yes. I've never physically I just come to know about you 2 months back, and
Okay.
I interacted with Venika ma'am, and she's a wonderful personality. She
With who?
guides
With
me.
whom?
Venika Gaur ma'am, so from
Okay,
your
okay.
team.
Varnika, Varnika. Right.
Yeah, but she's wonderful personality. So I talked with her in the morning, and I want to start my own YouTube channel as I'm a network marketer. So I want to generate organic leads, and I'm working on my Instagram account. So
Hmm.
I want to share something. Consistency is most important. I that means I got that thing 2 months back. My followers were around 200 something,
Hmm.
250 something, and now that grows to 700, and I use some genuine tricks, and that went up to 1000 people, and that was a great thing for me. And I started uploading reels recently, and Instagram is it's god and heaven for us. It promotes our reels is that ultimate. I uploaded a simple reel, and it went on to 2k views in just 1 hour, and then it's now
Nice.
5500 views.
So
And
imagine 5,000 people watching your content. That is so powerful, right?
yes, exactly. And sir, you said one thing perfection is not a matter at all. You uploaded a video, and that makes me think that I don't have a phone, that's not an issue. I have my face, I have a voice, so I must
Hmm.
do it.
Definitely, man. And you're going to do so, so well. Shikhar, many congratulations. So happy to talk to you and looking forward to seeing you at our next event for sure.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. It's been a
Thank you.
great pleasure. Thank you, sir.
All right. So now I'm going to have one more person. And this time around, it will be a little bit different. Okay. It will be a little bit different. It has to be on the humorous side. Who's ready to do it? थोड़ा सा मुश्किल भी होने वाला है. Let me say that to you. Okay. Wow, I just love the energy because I can feel that there are so many people over here जिनको की चाहिए opportunity, who are excited to make that happen, and I'm so happy. I am energetic. Singer Jitesh. Jitesh, you got a chance yesterday. Okay, so Nakul, Shubham, Karthik. Okay, we will give the chance to Krishna. Krishna Sen. Krishna, I have allowed you to talk. अभी आपको बहुत मजे आने वाले हैं. Yes, Krishna, how are you?
Sir, am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible, brother.
Oh my God, sir! Actually, I am trying from yesterday.
And
Thank
I'm
you so
happy
much,
that
sir.
you are here now. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How about you?
I'm good. I'm good. So, Krishna, what do you do?
Sir, I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and I do job in Nexa.
Okay, okay. You work with Nexa. Nexa
Nexa.
means the car.
Yeah, sir. There are two channels of Maruti Suzuki. One is Arena and the other one is Nexa. So Nexa is a premium channel of Maruti Suzuki.
Hmm.
So there
Great.
are
Awesome.
cars like Ciaz, Baleno, and all.
Nice. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is this is going to be very interesting. Okay, I did this activity in Bangalore and people loved it. What we are going to do is I will give you two topics right now, and both of them
Okay.
are absolutely different to each other. Okay,
Okay, sir.
when you will be speaking upon one particular topic, I will clap, and when I clap, then you have to switch, and then you have to speak upon the positives of the other topic. So
Sir,
you will have to
can
speak upon the
sir
topic. I'll tell you.
actually
You will have
sir,
to speak
actually
upon.
okay. Sir, I don't got it.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I will give you
Okay, sir.
two topics. If you are
Okay.
talking about topic A, then when I will clap, then you will have to switch to topic B, and that is how
Okay.
you will have to change simultaneously. I will clap, then you switch. I will clap again, then you switch again. For
Topic
example,
will be given by you.
I will give you the topic. For example, I give you the topic sleeping versus hustling. So when you will be speaking about sleeping, you will talk why sleeping is important. And then I will clap. And then you will say why hustling is important. Then I will again clap. And then you will say why sleeping is important. Then I will again clap. And then you will say why hustling is important. Ready for it?
Okay, sir, I got it. Yeah, okay, I got it.
So जो आपका टॉपिक है, I will repeat it in Hindi and English. The topic for you is
Okay.
Jagrata versus full night party. Okay, the topic for you is Jagrata
Okay.
versus full night party. So at one particular point of time, you will
Okay,
speak
sir.
why Jagrata is important. Then you will speak why the full night party is important.
Okay, sir.
Ready for it? It is entirely your call. आप पहले
Yes,
जगराता
I'm
के बारे
ready.
में बोल सकते हो या फिर आप पहले पार्टी when we are praying for the whole night to for a particular female goddess of ours. Got it? Right. So Jagrata versus full night
Okay, sir.
party. Ready?
Okay, sir, I'm ready.
Okay, start.
सर जगराता क्या होता है कि मतलब आप हसलिंग तो कर ही रहे हो, भगवान का साथ भी तो जरूरी है अपन को। भगवान को याद ही नहीं कर रहे हो, मतलब जगराता भी इम्पोर्टेंट है और साथ में कुछ बड़े बुजुर्गों के साथ भी बैठ जाएंगे। गाने तो भजन दादी जी को ही है, उनके साथ भी बैठो थोड़े जगराते में, थोड़े घर वाले भी खुश होंगे कि भाई हमारा बच्चा संस्कारी है।
Switch. When I clap,
ओके
you
सर,
switch.
ओके सर, पार्टी और सर लाइक मेरा ओपिनियन है कि सर माइंड फ्रेश भी तो जरूरी है कि आप अब जब दोस्तों के साथ रहते हो तो उनके साथ भी एंजॉय करना जरूरी है एंड ऑल, और फिर दोस्तों के साथ रहते हो तो क्लब्स में पार्टी और अच्छा डांस वगैरह होता है। यू क्लैप? ओके सर, अब जगराते में क्या होता है सर, भगवान की भक्ति होती है तो दादी जी के पास और पेरेंट्स वगैरह बैठे रहते हैं तो सर एक जो फैमिली वाले तो उन पे एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है कि हाँ मेरा बच्चा देखो कितना संस्कारी है, वहां बैठा है ना ऑल।
Go ahead.
डन सर।
No, come on. You're doing so well. Go ahead.
ओके सर, फिर पार्टी सर क्या होता है कि पार्टी प्री प्लान होती है। जगराता क्या होता है कि घर वाले कभी भी रख देते हैं पार्टी, जैसे एक दिन पहले प्लान कर लिया दोस्तों के साथ तो पहले से अपन एक्साइटमेंट होता है कि भाई पार्टी में जाके ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, उसके साथ डांस करेंगे, उसके साथ करेंगे एंड ऑल सर। और जगराते में तो एक ही जगह बैठे ही रहना है। स्विच टू जगराता।
डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, आप किस पे बोल रहे हो?
ओके सर, जगराता सर, एक्चुअली आई एम डन।
चलो सही है, गुड, वेल डन। हाउ वाज इट? हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस, कृष्णा?
सर एक्चुअली आई हैवंट, सर मैंने कभी बोला ही नहीं है स्टेज पे या कभी, एंड इट्स माय फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई एम स्पीकिंग लाइक दिस,
बट टुडे यू डिड वेल एंड वी लव्ड इट।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Thank you, awesome. All right, many congratulations, brother. Who's going to be our next speaker? Okay, so Kenny spoke to me yesterday also, and right now Kenny is going to love it. Okay, Kenny, I've allowed you to talk. Don't worry, we will give the chance to a lot more people. Yes, Kenny, how are you?
Sir, what can I say?
अभी आपको बहुत मजा आने वाला है, डोंट वरी. सो वन थिंग पीपल, राइट नाउ व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग, Kenny, am I audible to you as well as others, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I'm going to give you a topic and I will clap. And then again, you will have to switch. If you are talking about one particular topic, then you will have to switch for the other one. And अगर आप दूसरे पे बात करो तब आपको इस पे switch करना पड़ेगा. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So the topic for you is girlfriend versus wife. So when you will be talking about the girlfriend, then if I clap, then you will have to talk about the wife. And then again, you will have to switch. Ready for it?
Yes, sir.
आपका yes मुझे इतना confident नहीं लगा अभी. Ready for it?
Yes, sir. I will try. I will.
We try. We don't try. We give our 100%.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Right. So somebody says it should मतलब इसको somebody says it should be boyfriend will give you girlfriend versus wife. Okay.
Sir,
So Kenny, your turn.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start.
गर्लफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड वो होती है जो बहुत डिमांडिंग होती है. ये चाहिए, मुझे कुछ नया लाके दो, मुझे कार्ड दो, वो दो. एंड गर्लफ्रेंड क्या होती है, मुझे नई नई रेस्टोरेंट्स में लेके जाओ. ये रेस्टोरेंट में ये फूड अच्छा है, वो रेस्टोरेंट में वो फूड अच्छा है. चाइनीज, पंजाबी, जो भी.
Switch.
वाइफ वो होती है जो हस्बैंड को बांध के रखती है. दो आई एम अ गर्ल बट आई वुड से दैट. वाइफ वो होती है
Switch.
जो गर्लफ्रेंड. यस. डिमांडिंग.
Switch.
ये वाइफ का क्या है ये पंगा. ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, क्या पूरे दिन ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं होता.
Switch.
मुझे टाइम चाहिए. गर्लफ्रेंड यार, गर्लफ्रेंड को मूवी देखनी है, ये देखनी है. कहाँ से मैं इतने गिफ्ट लाऊं, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है.
Switch.
वाइफ यार, उसको अभी सब्जी लेने जानी है, उसको टीवी देखना है. सीरियल मैं तंग आ गई हूँ सीरियल देख के.
Switch.
कितनी गर्लफ्रेंड. ओके, वैलेंटाइंस डे, ये डे, वो डे, हम कब मिले वो डे याद रहता है. वाइफ को सिर्फ 2 डे याद रहता है.
Switch.
गर्लफ्रेंड.
Switch.
सर, I am done, sir.
Continue.
वाइफ मीन्स उसको साड़ी चाहिए, कभी उसको ड्रेस पहनना हो. कितना कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करते हैं बस जल्दी आने का. गर्लफ्रेंड को तो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जिसकी गर्लफ्रेंड लास्ट तक टिकी रहे, और जिसके गर्लफ्रेंड लास्ट तक टिकी रहे ना, वाइफ. वाइफ का फोन आता है.
You did well. Big round of applause for Kenny. Good. I'm happy. And how was your experience, by the way?
सर, मैं खो गई थी टॉपिक में.
कि मेरे को कहाँ पे रहना चाहिए था. But you did so well. Brilliant.
So I was adding the humor because though I am a girl, but I was against the girlfriend and wife.
देखो, I don't know. I won't comment on that. Maybe you were speaking the right thing. I don't know. I'm tight zipped over here. But good. Brilliant, Kenny. Well spoken. Thank you.
So can you give me some feedback?
This was nice. And this was meant to create humor. The good thing was, see, whatever we do, this is what I say. Whatever we do, whenever we do something, give your 100%. Because जब हमको opportunity मिलती है, we should be like, यार मेरे को मेरा 100% देना है, मेरे को मेरे लिए 100% results लेकर आने हैं. Because वो चीज सबसे ज्यादा matter करती है. And वो करना है आगे भी. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. It was nice talking to you. So, sir, this is my third opportunity to talk to you, and it was so. सर, मेरे को ये डेज याद रखने पड़े, कब दिन आपके साथ बात की है.
आप भी याद रखना, मैं भी याद रखूंगा, मुझे याद रहेगा.
सर, मैं आपके साथ गुजराती में बात करूंगी.
ओके, चलो, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.
बाय सर.
ओके, सो हु इज गोना बी आवर नेक्स्ट स्पीकर? Next. I get so many requests over here. I would like to give the chance to सागर को कर देते हैं. सागर दूसरा वाला, not the other one who has spoken. Sagar Bhatt. So Sagar, I've allowed you to talk. Please unmute yourself. Yes, Sagar, how are you?
Yes, sir. I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I'm good. So Sagar, what do you do? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, so I'm a stock market trader. So I've been trading the market since almost 1.5 years.
Okay.
And I also have my YouTube channel and Instagram page. So
Okay.
I share content regarding markets there. So it's almost 6 months I started my page, and it grew from 0 to almost 6,000 followers, more than 6,000 followers now.
Nice, nice, very good.
So actually, I want to improve my speaking skills, and yeah.
Now you will improve your speaking skills for sure because of the topic that I'm going to give you. Okay. So the topic for you is Tinde versus Paneer. Tinde
What?
versus Paneer. You know what is the Tinda, right?
No.
आप कौन सी सब्जी जो बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद आती है? You know what brinjal is, right?
Yeah, brinjal. Yeah.
Yeah, brinjal is bangan. Okay, so you know bangan. So the topic for you is bangan versus paneer. So when you will be telling us about bangan, you would be talking about the positive aspects of bangan, and which then you will tell us about the positive aspects of paneer. And whenever I'll be telling you to switch, you will have to do that. Ready for it?
Sir, something better, please.
This is very much better. This is absolutely amazing. All right. So your time starts now. The topic for you is brinjal versus paneer. When I say switch, you go to switch. Go ahead. Start.
Okay, so brinjal is a purple color vegetable. Of course, it's very attractive, and you can create a lot of tasty food with that. So I personally don't like brinjal that much, and
Mm-hmm.
yes.
Come on. You have the right in front of you. Go for it. Continue.
Yes, so my mom does not use brinjal that much while cooking because I personally don't like it, and none of
You
my
have to tell us about the positive sides of brinjal.
positive. It's kind of attractive, and the color. I think they call it the king of the vegetables because it's it very
Mm-hmm.
like
Switch.
paneer. I personally love paneer. Paneer is like chicken for vegetarians because I personally am a vegetarian, and for good taste we use paneer. Paneer can
Switch.
be brinjal is considered the king of vegetables because the green color part is considered as the crown which we put it to king, and so brinjal. Yes, sir.
So how was your experience?
Not that good, sir, but I'm really feeling good because I got a chance to speak to you. I know you chose me because I was spamming continuously me.
And I'm happy that you, and again, see, this is what I say. Whenever we are given an opportunity, we got to make the best out of it. You did well.
Yes.
You did well. At the same time, try including more humor, try including more things. You can speak about the positive aspects. And when you do that, then you would realize that आप इसको और अच्छे से grow कर पा रहे हो और आप इसको और अच्छे से अपने लिए opportunities बना पा रहे हो. Because that is very, very important for us.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good. अभी आप हम next speaker को मौका देंगे, and then you would hear it from him also. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sagar. Okay, so our next speaker is Arun Kolevar. Arun, I have allowed you to talk. Please unmute yourself. Arun, how are you? Yes, Arun. I have unmuted you. You are good to go. How are you? Arun, just check whether your mic is on. Please do it quickly. So I guess some issues over there. I will give the chance to Gaurav. Gaurav has also told us so many times. Gaurav Thadani, I have unmuted you. Please unmute yourself. Yes, Gaurav, how are you?
I'm good, sir. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. Just be a little loud.
Sorry, sir. Am I audible now?
You are audible. थोड़ा सा और तेज बोलो आप.
Yeah, just give me a second.
Yeah, quickly.
Yeah.
People, I'm trying to get as many people as possible out of thousands of people. हर एक को तो नहीं ला सकते ना. Enjoy the process. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Gaurav.
Am I audible now?
You are audible, but can you be a little loud again? A little bit more.
Actually, I'm at office right now, so I can't speak more louder because.
Okay, this is good. This is good, okay? We can hear him, right? Type I, we can hear him, everybody. All right, good. So, Gaurav, जो आपका टॉपिक है वो है ये.
Yeah.
Your topic is bald versus full-fledged hair. अगर हम इसको हिंदी में बोलें, एक सर जिसमें कोई बाल नहीं है यानी कि गंजापन अगेंस्ट full-fledged hair. तो आप जब bald के बारे में बताओगे, you will tell us about the benefits of being bald, and then when you will talk about full-fledged hair, you will talk about the benefits of having full-fledged hair. Got it?
Cool. Got it.
Okay. So start.
Bald? Bald, sir? About
Depends
bald?
on you. Depends on you. Start.
Yeah. Cool. So being a bald is a really nice thing. In past few days, I've tried this a bald look, and it really suited me well. You can also have a full length hair, but a bald look will look much better on you if your face is round and not square. So you can try this bald look, and you can also try the celebrities look like Vin Diesel, the complete bald, and like the Rock, complete bald.
Switch.
In full length hair. I mean, most of the people of us here try this full length hair. I mean, it really suits everyone well. Wow. If your face is round, square, doesn't matter. You can keep any haircut. You can try different. And the bald look also gives you the same opportunity. I mean, you can try different cuts, and you can have this Yo-Yo Honey Singh cut, which will automatically full length hair. You can keep a Zayn Malik hairstyle, which almost anyone can rock. If you can have that hairstyle, you can attract girls with a full length hair.
Switch.
Bald look is I don't have lines to say. I mean, so,
continue, man. Come on.
Yes. Okay, so you can see right now Rahul sir has a kind of bald look, and he's rocking. He's looking super amazing, and you can try this look also, which is amazing. And those who have full length hair, I'd like to give advice to all of you. I mean,
switch.
The bald look.
Switch.
What to say? I mean, you're saying switch so
switch.
Instantly, so fast, man. I'm done, sir. I can't speak anymore, sir.
Good, Gaurav. Well done. Keep it up. I'm happy that you gave your 100%. I love it. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, sir. I have a doubt, sir. Can I please ask you one thing? So, I mean, if a person wants to follow his passion, but he's not earning through it, so what should he do, sir?
Do not follow your passion if you cannot monetize it. आपका जो काम है, become so good at your work so that you can pursue your passion for the rest of your life. लेकिन ऐसा मत करो कि आप अभी अपना passion pursue कर रहे हो and आप आगे उस चीज को grow नहीं करा पा रहे हो.
Sir, just I'll take just 1 minute of yours. Sir, my father has a business, furniture business, wholesale business, and he says that you should not go into this online business. This is all rubbish. You will earn here so much. Just don't go into this online digital marketing and all. And he was against this also.
He's not aware about it, no?
Yeah, he's not aware. I tried to convince him, but he doesn't get it. So how can we?
No problem. अगर उनको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो जो वो आपको करने को बोल रहे हैं वो तो आप कर ही रहे हो ना. You are as it is doing it. Along with that, continue with your time. Along with that, you get more results for you. That is what matters.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. It was nice meeting you. Thank you.
Right? Yeah, that is important.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Right. That's important. Now, people see a few things that I would like to share with all of you. Why is impromptu speaking so very important? All of you saw right now that when you talk about impromptu speaking, when you have to talk about impromptu topics, it becomes very difficult for us. Do you agree? It becomes very tough when we have to talk about impromptu topics. And the reason why that happens is because we realize that, man, there is so much more that I got to do. There is so much more preparation that I have to do. We feel top notch, but when it comes to actual execution, then it becomes difficult for me. Do you agree? And that is why I say success is when preparation meets opportunity. And that's the reason why we got to be prepared. And that's the reason why we got to be involved in things. And how do you become good when it comes to impromptu speaking? Is when you take topics from someone, you implement those topics, you speak upon those topics, and then you actually speak upon it on a regular basis. Today we saw that it is very difficult when it comes to speaking upon a particular topic, although they were very common topics. The reason being because we are not prepared for it, because we are not doing this regularly. And that is the reason why we need to work upon it and why we need to get that confidence within. And that is what is important. Now, after some time, what we are also going to do is I will have you giving the topic to me. You will be the person who will be doing that clapping part and telling me to switch. I will do it live in front of you because I'm giving you that opportunity. So I will also try, okay, how my performance is going to be. Got it? Good. Right now, let us continue with the slides. Then we'll do it after some time. Got it? Good.